to relax a little. Must have knocked something loose.
Brett, why do you have so many books?
Oh, in case I have a fart, cover my fart.
Oh.
Do you think he got away with that one?
Bom dia!
You're looking at the new head of the U.S. Treasury. Congrats, my queen. That's how you leave an impression.
Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. They're coming over here. Hi, how can I help you?
Call the bomb squad. As if golf isn't already hard enough.
Come on, Mama. You take care of those babies, Mama.
Someone got a little bit winded there. It's never a silent one. He saw his life flash for a second.
Oh, shit.